How to invest your first $100 step-by-step guide. Thinking about investing but only have $100 to start? Well, guess what? That's actually a great place to begin. Many successful investors didn't start with a fortune. They started with small amounts just like you. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to take your first $100 and make it work for you. Step 1. Assess your goals and risk tolerance. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to understand what you want to achieve and how much risk you're willing to take. Are you looking to grow your money over the long term? Or are you hoping to make a quicker return? Do you prefer lower risk or are you comfortable with some ups and downs? Pro tip: use online tools to assess your risk tolerance. Most apps like Robinhood or Wealthfront offer free quizzes to help you understand your investing style. Step 2. Choose the right investment account. You can't invest without an account. And today, you have tons of options. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront are perfect for beginners. They manage your investments for you based on your risk tolerance. If you want to pick individual stocks or ETFs, consider Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity. All have zero commission fees. Pro tip: if you're planning to invest long-term, an IRA, an individual retirement account, might be a great option. It offers tax benefits. Step 3. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are perfect for new investors with small amounts of money. Index funds and ETFs are collections of stocks that track a specific market index, like the SP 500. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in a basket of companies, which spreads out the risk. With just $100, you can buy into top-performing index funds that have historically shown consistent growth. Pro tip: ETFs like the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker VTI, or the SPDR SP 500 ETF, ticker SPY, are popular beginner choices. Step 4. Start with fractional shares. Fractional shares allow you to invest in expensive stocks like Tesla or Amazon with just a portion of the share price. That means your $100 can go further, letting you buy pieces of multiple stocks instead of putting all your money into just one. Pro tip: fractional shares are available on most major investing apps including Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Step 5. Dollar cost averaging. This is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money regularly, no matter what the market's doing. Instead of trying to time the market, and which is risky, you just buy in small, consistent amounts. This helps reduce the impact of market volatility over time. Pro tip: set up an automatic investment schedule for as little as $5 to $10 per week. Apps like Acorns or Stash make it super easy to automate. Step 6. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Even with just $100, you can diversify by investing in different industries or choosing ETFs and index funds that give you built-in diversification. Pro tip: aim for a balanced mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs to help protect yourself from big swings in the market. Bonus tip: keep learning and stay consistent. Investing is a long-term game. Keep educating yourself and keep your focus on the goal. Over time, your $100 can grow, but it takes patience, consistency, and time. Remember, the key is to start. Your first $100 investment is the hardest. But once you take that first step, you're on the path to building real wealth. So which investment method are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple step-by-step money guides. Ready for your next title whenever you are, boss? Want one on saving, credit cards, or passive income next?